foda kudus nganga ay kauda asute kauda nganga abawashi daya mama ay nganga dai watiskinga nuane foda kudus nganga ay kauda asute kauda nganga abawashi daya mama ay nganga dai watiskinga.
Morning guys, today I'm at the heart of Georgetown. Came to have my breakfast. Nasi Lemak is a dish very famous in Malaysia, and this place has a very famous Nasi Lemak stall over here. It's a food court and it's all mixed up: Chinese, Indian, Muslim, Indian restaurants and Malay. So let's go and enjoy our Nasi Lemak today. I'll walk in and show everything.
Ayam, daun ubi, sambal belacan. Indonesia food. Ayam penyet. Jangan ditutup dulu. Maaf. Nopal. It's a heavy duty oven, freshly baked pastries by this auntie over here. Looks so yummy. Bungkusan. Makan ah? Makan.
Hi. What is this dish called?
Oyster.
Oyster noodles?
Fried oyster noodle. Fried oyster. Fried oyster.
I am at Weld, the heart of Georgetown, and this place is very famous for nasi lemak, which I ordered, and it's also famous for pancake. And I ordered fresh orange juice to go with it. So let's try. Actually, pancake is not favorite. My main favorite dish is nasi lemak. Let's taste pancake also. Very crispy the layer and yummy, and it's sweet. Very good. But I can't wait to taste my nasi lemak, my favorite. So they give you in a banana leaf, packed in a banana leaf, which is. So this is a fried fish. And this is called ikan bilis, and they have an egg also, boiled egg, half egg. Very good, very tasty. Ikan bilis is my favorite. Very good taste, I love it. It's very spicy, very chili, not for the faint heart. It's very spicy, but I love spicy food. Now I get it why it's very famous. The nasi lemak is extremely delicious. The fried fish also is very good.
Okay.
So this nasi lemak is a very traditional Malay breakfast. I'm loving every bite of it. It's a beautiful place, open place, and a lot of people working over here at the bank, offices. They come here for their afternoon or morning breakfast. I mean, it's already 11:15, but still lots of people. You can even add fried chicken, or there are some other dishes, but the traditional nasi lemak is served with rice cooked in coconut, and they give boiled egg, and the fish is ikan bilis. I don't know what it's called in English, and you can. I love fried fish, so I ordered fried fish. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed the nasi lemak video, the famous nasi lemak in Penang. It was very spicy, not for the faint heart. People who can't take too spicy, then not recommended. Too spicy.